So we also are not from here. We are spiritual. This place is material. We don't match. So that is what the mission of the Lord is, to take us out of this. That is the desire of the Lord. And Rupa Goswami is trying to establish a mission to fulfill the desire of the Lord. Give me shelter under his lotus feet. When will he give me shelter under his lotus feet? What does it mean? That I will also be a part of that mission to fulfill the desire of the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When will I get that opportunity? But here we are day in and day out trying to fulfill our own desires, which are actually contrary to the desires of the Lord. Because we have not tried to understand what is the desire of the Lord. You are working in a company without trying to know that what is the desire of the company, owner of the company. How long will you be able to work? How long? You will be in a good position or a miserable position? We are in a miserable position. Big people who became from scratch became billionaires, had to leave everything and go. And again start from scratch. Oh my God. What wastage of time, is it not so? Dhirubhai Ambani, what is he today? A statue? Or a photograph? He rose from scratch. Zero. But never became a hero, because in the end result was again zero. So what do you see in accounts? The last total, is it red line or blue line? Red line means debts, loss, right? So if all you have done is again you become, so where people say they are successful, how can you say they are successful? They couldn't take a single needle with them. They couldn't take a needle also. How can you call them successful? Successful something which should be permanent, is it? So you can only be successful in spirituality, you can never be successful materially. Another answer is this, that you can never be successful materially, because materially matter you cannot take with you, and spirituality it never finishes. Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Neha vikarma nasho asti pratyavayo na vidyate swalpi api asya dharmasya trayato mahato bhayat. That a little progress on this path has got no loss. Little. So next, Prabhupada used to say, if you have done A, B, C, D in this life, you will start from E in the next life. That means that will never finish. That is why the Srimad Bhagavatam says, which is the ripened fruit of the Vedic literature. It is stated that if a person starts spiritual life and that is not able to complete it, what is his loss? But a person who does material life and does everything and reaches the top, what is his gain? Because whatever he has done, he has to, his body also he could not take with him. Can he take with him? Oh my God. Oh my God. What is the use? Prabhuji? Would you like to do a business in which in the morning till night you work like an ass and you earn 100 crores, and in the evening when you close your shop someone comes and takes away all the money? Would you like to do such a business? That is material success. Is it success? Will it call be successful? Tell me. So materially you can never be successful, because you are the soul, not this body, and you can only be successful if you can carry something with you, and that is only possible in spiritual life. So success is the other word in spirit, is spiritual. It has got nothing to do with material. You can never be successful materially. Never. That is why your success which you measure in the material world is actually relative. Is what? You compare. Birlaji during his time was the richest. But then Dhirubhai Ambani took over him. He was much bigger than Birla ji. Was it right or wrong? Today his sons are much richer than Birlas together. So you are comparing. Comparison is not success. It is something like this: you are big fool, I am small fool. But both are fools. Big fool, small fool. Dry cow dung, wet cow dung. But both are what? Cow dung. This is material success. You put that silver foil on the cow dung, what it becomes? Sweet? Material success is like that. So let materially you'll have to work because you have to take care of the body. So you'll have to work. You can't give it up. But we are not working for the success of this because this has got no success. It will become old. Finished. Success part, we are looking for the soul. I want to be successful. But people are saying, I want my body to be successful.